Hey there, crypto explorers, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, a comprehensive beginner's tutorial on cryptocurrencies. And if you're new to the world of crypto and want to learn the basics, you've come to the right place, so just make sure to watch this video till the very end. Now before we get started, let's quickly cover what cryptocurrencies are. Now cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They operate on a technology called blockchain, which is a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Now first of all, in order to get started, the first thing you need to do is to simply choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. And an exchange is a platform where you can buy, sell and trade cryptocurrencies. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, Trust Wallet and many of the other applications that are currently out there available in the market today. Once you've chosen an exchange, sign up and complete the verification process to ensure the security of account. So in this case, I'll just select Binance, let's say for example, which is of course one of the most popular ones over here. The next thing you have to do is to simply set up a digital wallet. And a digital wallet is a software application that allows you to securely store, send and receive cryptocurrencies. There are different types of wallets such as hardware wallets, software wallets and online wallets. So make sure to research and choose a wallet that suits your needs. The next thing you have to understand is that understanding the key terms, because as a beginner it's essential to familiarize yourself with some key terms in crypto space. The first key is public and private keys. Public keys are like your username, visible to others, while private keys are like your password, kept secret and used for accessing your funds. Blockchain, this is the underlying technology that powers cryptocurrencies. It's a decentralized ledger that records and verifies all transactions. The next is your wallet address, similar to a bank account number, right? You have a wallet address if someone wants to send cryptocurrencies to you. Then this wallet address depends from the app that you're using versus the type of cryptocurrency that you're trying to send or receive. So basically it's like a unique wallet address to each and every cryptocurrencies. And the other is the crypto mining. It's the process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Miners are rewarded with newly minted coins for efforts. Now the next step will require you to simply buy a cryptocurrencies, right? Now that you have an exchange account and a wallet, it's time to make your first purchase. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, enter the desired amount and choose your payment method. Remember to start small and only invest what you can afford to lose. So you want to make sure to actually set a risk-bearing fund. That is that these are the funds that you're okay to lose even if you do not make it to the cryptocurrency world, right? So you want to make sure to only invest how much you are able to lose yourself. And last but not the least, I would just recommend you to educate yourself. The crypto market is dynamic and constantly evolving. Stay updated by following reputable news sources, joining online communities and participating in discussions. Expand your knowledge by learning about different cryptocurrencies, blockchain projects and investment strategies. And there you have it, crypto explorers, a beginner's guide tutorial on cryptocurrencies. Remember that the crypto market can be volatile, so always do your research and make informed decisions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.